So in TicketSignup, we now allow you to set ticket numbers for each ticket. What ticket numbers are just basically a way to identify each individual ticket. Now by default, this is turned off, but if you want to turn it on, you can go to your dashboard, tickets, ticket numbers, and then assign numbers sequentially during registration. And then you can set a starting ticket number. So let's say we start at 101 and save. Now as people go in and get their tickets, they're going to be assigned a ticket number with each ticket. Now there's two ways to assign tickets. You can either assign them during registration, as we just set up, or you can assign them dynamically when people are coming to your event. And that's actually what we recommend. So we're going to turn this off and we'll save it. So Kevin here has signed up for the 24 viewing party.
I've never seen 24, so I'm very excited for the viewing party. That is an actual
You did tell me
fact.
that, which is surprising. So Kevin's going to come to the event, and he's going to come to the check-in table where I am, and I'm here in the TicketSignup app. I'm going to find my event here. 24 viewing party. Now already in the app, I've gone to more, event settings, and I've created a configuration called wristband assignment. And what you need to do in there is go to the check-in steps and set ticket number to required. And I also checked off auto show camera on ticket number assignment. You're going to see why that is in a minute. So I'll save that and click change configuration. Make sure I'm using that wristband assignment. And the reason why I called it wristband assignment is because we have these wristbands here, which have QR codes on them. So you don't have to use wristbands. You can have lanyards. It doesn't have to be QR codes. It could be a barcode. But in this example, this is what we're using. So I'm going to go to the check-in portion here. Kevin's going to come to the event. Now I could just search Kevin's name here and find him like that. But since he has his confirmation up, I'll just click the camera, scan that QR code, and that brings me right to his tickets. And as soon as I hit check in all here, that's going to bring up the camera because of the setting we checked off earlier. So check in all. And now I can go to this wristband, which is number 103. And as soon as I go over to the QR code, it finds 103, assigned ticket number. So Kevin is now checked in with ticket number 103. So Kevin, here's your wristband.
Thank you. Now, I also ordered some stored items. So how do I get those to me?
That's a great question, almost as if it was rehearsed. So what you would do is you would have a different station probably. So somebody else, not me at the check-in, but somebody at the
popcorn stand.
The popcorn stand would have a different configuration. So for the event, they would have the store fulfill configuration. And in that configuration, under lookup list, we have the lookup result set to go to fulfillment screen instead of go to purchase screen. So I've got that saved. I have that set as the configuration we're using. So in the check-in here, this being the check-in for the popcorn stand, I would just bring up the camera again. I would scan his wristband. And now I could see that Kevin has ordered 11 popcorns and 2 fountain drinks.
That's right.
I don't know if that's a good ratio. There's a lot of salt on that popcorn.
It's the perfect ratio in my mind.
So from here, I could just say, okay, are you going to get all 11 popcorns now, or you just want some of them?
I want half of them.
You're getting 6. You're going to get 6 popcorns. I'll give you 1 drink. So we will save this. And now if we go back into Kevin's purchase, we can see he's already redeemed 6 of the 11 popcorns and 1 of his 2 drinks. And that is all there is to it. And that last portion that we just did there with the store fulfillment, that'll work whether or not you assign at registration time for the ticket numbers, or you do dynamically where the person shows up and you give them whichever one's on the top of the pile.